Good morning, Narsi. How are you doing? Good morning, Rahul. I'm good. Good to see you again. You wanted to ask something specifically around solar cells. Yes, Narsi. I wanted to know more about the demand-supply gap for solar cells in India. What are your thoughts on this? Let's look at the data, Rahul. In 2026, India will be installing 45 gigawatts of solar power capacity. Wow, that's quite a lot. Indeed, a lot. Lot more than what we were installing just a few years back. Impressive. On manufacturing, we have over 75 gigawatts of operational solar panel manufacturing capacity. So solar panels are in oversupply? Yes, there is indeed a glut of domestic solar panels. But for cells, the country can produce less than 30 gigawatts of solar cells. Interesting. There is a significant demand-supply gap for solar cells? Yes. And no. Please enlighten me on your cryptic sentence. Well, yes, because currently there is a significant demand-supply gap for domestically made solar cells. And no, because it might not exist in a couple of years, given the pace at which many Indian companies are investing in new cell manufacturing. I see. Which are the prominent companies investing in new capacities? This includes both incumbents already operating solar cell plants and newcomers. There could be significant additional capacities from Adani, Vare, Renew Power, Premier Energies and others. That's a lot of companies. Looks like we are in the midst of a rather busy phase for solar cell manufacturing in India. Yes, and that's why I said the current demand-supply gap is unlikely to last long. How long are we talking about? Sometime around mid-2028, we can expect domestic cell supply to be on par with demand. Insightful, Narsi. So you think companies looking at investing in solar cell manufacturing should be cautious? Well, to a certain degree, yes. But enough supply doesn't necessarily mean limited scope for new entrants. There are other strategic and market aspects that drive success. But that's a different discussion altogether. Absolutely, Narsi. Got it, and thank you very much for your time. Thanks, Rahul, for coming over. All the best.